make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everybody, so I hope you are well and having a really lovely day today as always. Today I'm coming at you with the official DISCON list for Lush for 2020. You guys are probably wondering that I uploaded a video of this a few weeks ago, and yes I did. However, I was not informed on the substantial amount of products that are going to be leaving, because this list is huge. I'm not going to lie to you, when I saw the smaller list I was still a bit shocked they're getting rid of that many products, but when you guys hear what is leaving you're going to be shook. So without further ado, I'm going to jump into this video. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching, and I am sorry in advance for how many hearts are going to be broken. So yeah, so this video is going to be really long if I go through each product individually and kind of describe them and things like that. So what I'm going to do is read them out in categories. So we're going to do like bath bombs, bath oils, etc, etc. Go through the list and then we'll discuss it at the end, because I feel like otherwise this video could be about 4 hours long. So let's begin. So starting off with bath bombs, the bath bombs that are being discontinued from Lush this year are Aubergine Ninja, Black Rose, Blue Gardenia Bath Salt Cube, Calivera, Flight, Geode, Golden Slumbers, Gold Rush, Honey I Wash the Kids, Kitsune, Lucky Cat, Raw, Rocket Science, Rose Clay Bath Salt Cube, Royalty, Strawberries and Cream, Tengri, don't know what that one is, The Olive Branch, Think Pink, Turtle Jelly Bomb, and Yuzu and Cocoa. Now I'm not being funny, but what is left after that? Twilight, Intergalactic, Sakura. It's like the classics. I feel like they've just got rid of all the new bath bombs that they released not so long ago. So those are all the ones that are being discontinued. The items in which I'm sad to be leaving is probably just Rocket Science and Think Pink, maybe Strawberries and Cream, but that is about it. The others I'm not so neither here nor there about. Aubergine is nice, but yeah, the rest of them I'm not so bothered about. So next, moving on to bath oils. I do believe they're getting rid of all of them, but I will go through the list anyway. So the first one we've got is Ain't No Mountain High Enough. Then we have Angels, Cream Demons, Double Vitality, not really sure how to pronounce that one, not gonna lie. Floating Island, Flowers Barrow, Furs, High Violet, I Want a Pony, Impatient, Let's Get It On, Love Is the Way, Melting Marshmallow Moment, One Kiss, Polymerous, Revelations, Saviour, You've Been Mangoed. A lot of these, I'm not gonna lie, I can't pronounce. I don't know what's wrong with me today, I just can't seem to read. So that's basically all of the bath oils, I feel. I don't think there's any more, but basically all of them are going to be going. I will leave this list in the description as well, so I'll put all of the items down below because I feel like some of these I can't pronounce. So next up, moving on to bubble bars, we have got Akaname, Bathos, Creamy Candy, Brush, Dirty, oh my god, how do you pronounce that? Erlenmeyer Flask, Excavation, Goldfinger, Keep It Fluffy, Love, Party Popper, Relax, Take a Bath, Return to Emerald City, Rugger Rush, and Stargazer. Is that supposed to say Sugar Rush? I'm not really sure. I feel like I've not heard of that one before. But those are all the bubble bars that are leaving. So not overly loads, but I still feel like that is a good chunk of their range. So I'm not really sure what they're doing, if they're going to be releasing like a massive collection. I have no idea. So next, moving on to shower, we have the Almond Blossom Shower Gel, Argan Dragon Shower Moisturiser, Big Buffy, Easy Peeler and Soya Bran Exfoliator Scrubs, Blue Pill, Love, Luck and Meditation Shower Bombs, and also Supernatural and Tang Trick Energy. So it doesn't say Plum Rain on the shower gel list, so I'm not too sure what is actually accurate, but this is what I have found online, so I do apologise if it's not 100% accurate, but I wanted to share this with you anyway because I saw it and thought you guys need to see this ASAP. So yes, those are the shower gel products that are supposedly leaving as well. So now moving on to body care. In terms of hands, we have the Frangipani Glove and the Salted Coconut Scrub. That Salted Coconut Scrub, I am sad it's leaving because it does wonders. Honestly, if you haven't tried it, get your hands on it before it goes because it's so good. Deodorants and dusting powders, we have Grinch Solid Deodorant, Gym Slip, Princess and Sunflower. Body lotions, we have Karma Cream, Naked and Potted, Little Pot of Energy, Naked Dream Cream, Naked Pansy, Naked Sleepy, Naked Sympathy for the Skin. Shimmer Bar is Shimmy Shimmy, and Balms is Ultra Balm and Vegeline. oh god, I can't pronounce any of these words. Basically, a lot of things are leaving. So those are all the body care items. There's not too much in that I'm overly disappointed by, to be honest. I feel like my mum is going to be fuming because Karma Cream's being discontinued, but other than that, I think we're all safe for those ones. Moving on to face items, so we have the oils, which is Amazon Primer, Banana Skin and Dirty Beard Oil. Cleansers is Babyface, Gritty, Politi, Like a Virgin and Ocame. Have you noticed how all of Lush products at the moment have really bizarre names, or is it just me? Because I can't pronounce any of these words, honestly. Face masks, we have Brazen Honey and Cupcake, and I'm not gonna lie, the honey one is rank, so I'm glad that's leaving, to be honest. And mouth-wise is Whipstick Lip Balm, which again, not overly disappointed by. It was just an average balm. So the next category is makeup, and I'm not really too into Lush makeup, to be honest. It doesn't really interest me too much, but I will leave it all in the description below of the makeup that is being discontinued, because I'm not going to try and pronounce any of these words because they're all, I'm looking at them now and it doesn't even look like English, so I'm not going to try and embarrass myself on the internet. So moving on to mouth items. So first we have mouthwash, and that is Adam's Apple, Chamomile, Golden Pear, Gospels, Happy Pill, Mandarin, Parma Violet, Pangalactic, Gargle Blaster, Sleepy Pill, Spritz and Zipherus. Oh my gosh, cannot pronounce that. They're all going as well. Toothy tab wise, we have Before 8, Bubblegum, Frostbite, Happy Pill, Limelight, Mandarin, Fireworks, Miles of Smiles, Neem, Oral Pleasure, Super Mineral, Superb, Top Gum. Those are all going as well. I think this is all of them, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'm not really too sure. So shampoo wise, the items being discontinued are Curly Whirly, which I'm really sad about. I used to use Curly Whirly all the time. No Drought Pressed Dry Shampoo and Petal Head Pressed Dry Shampoo. And then finally, in terms of styling products, we have Giant's Gel, Hair Custard, On Edge, Millennial, Posidon, Queen Bee, the Invisible Dry Oil, and there's something about rosemary, and that is everything. I have no idea what's going on. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. I know it was probably all over the place, but I just wanted to get this information out to you guys. I feel like you guys, of any people, would want to know this information, and I could not keep it into myself, so I wanted to share with you the heartbreaking news that Lush are discontinuing probably 2/3 of their range. Like, I have no idea what's going on. Let me know down below any products that I mentioned that you're really sad to be leaving, or any products that you think should have left a long time ago, because I'd absolutely love to know. And also let me know your thoughts about the whole situation. What do you think they're going to be doing? Because I have no idea what's going on. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you're not already, because it would make me incredibly, incredibly grateful. And I shall see you very soon. Bye guys.